What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I am going to be doing my honest reaction to a good friend's video here on YouTube. You guys can check that video out. It will be in my description box down below. So, as you all know, I used to be on a fitness journey. As of now, I'm just like, phew, who cares? I'm at that point in my life where I feel like my body is the body weight that it's going to be at until I get ready to really cut back on certain foods and certain things, sweets. So I do eat a lot healthier now because I am trying different things, like different vegetarian foods, different vegan foods. But I'm also still sticking to what I know best. So I'm gonna play a couple clips from Whitaker's Ways video where she tried a viral TikTok video.
Hey guys, so I watched TikTok and I'm going to make this viral TikTok drink. Here's the ingredients that if I can bear it, I'll keep this up for a week and let you guys know the results.
Drink for weight loss. And I just recently went to Kroger last night and picked up those items. Let me show you those real quick. So today I will be opening this Oster My Blend blender where you can blend a delicious healthy drink into the portable sport bottle in seconds, and it's great for your active lifestyle. You can fill, blend, go, and reuse. It is a powerful blender, great for smoothies, diet shakes, and protein drinks. It's quick and convenient, and it's just one-touch blending. So it is reusable. You can easily wash it. My grandmother had this, never opened it. So I am decided to go ahead and open it and use it for the first time myself. All right, so we have the juice strained from the lemon. I did go ahead and pull the seeds out. Go ahead and put that in my drink. all of our pineapple has been cut. Here's our cup with the ginger, cucumbers, and lemon juice. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of the pineapples into this mixer. So as you can see, I didn't need 2 cups of water because it only can hold about 1.5. There's no way. Due to the fact that my cup is orange, you guys are not really going to be able to see what is inside of the cup and what the color actually looks like until I get ready to use the mesh filters that I bought from Amazon for $7.99. So there we go. You guys can see what color it looks like on the inside. It definitely is like a yellow greenish tint to it. So I'm going to get ready to strain it into a different cup. Once I strain it, I'm going to go ahead and put it into this cup right here. I got this off of Amazon for about $10. It's definitely time to order a bigger one due to wanting to do more juices. This is where my strainers come into play, where I'm just going to grab one out. So I just wanted to see what it would look like going into the clear cup, which is why I bought it from Amazon, because I wanted to see the juices that I would be making. You guys can check this out. It'll be in my description box down below, but also be sure to check out Whitaker's Ways channel. I am going to have her video listed below. This was my honest reaction, and I wanted to give it a try to see if the juice would come out the same way that she made it, or if mine would come out a little differently. But I also wanted to see what this drink was all about, especially since it was a viral drink. Okay, so I gotta give shout out when shout out is due. Thank you so much, Cabernet, for putting me on to these little mesh bags right here, because most definitely everything is caught up in this bag. Juice is still dripping, so this was definitely well enough juice for my little cup that I've been had. So I'll link this in my description box down below if you guys want to buy you one. I will put 2 different sizes, as I think I'm going to go ahead and buy a bigger one, but I also want to buy another one. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try myself and see what this tastes like. All right, hold on. Oh my God. Okay. It's not bad. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. I took a little sip, but it's not as bad as I thought. It definitely burns the back of my throat a little bit. But I would make this again. Whew. Yeah, every gulp. Hopefully this viral weight loss drink makes my body go viral and lose this weight. So I'm gonna try this. For a week, and I think that I could easily use these. I could use this drink again. I really wish that it was cold, so I think I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it get cold for a little bit, and then I'll finish drinking it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Whitaker's Way for putting this video out and giving me an idea so that I would not go and buy a juicer. I really want to buy a juicer, but I don't have any more space in my kitchen area for it, and this is just so much easier to blend it up, mesh it out, you know, with the mesh bags, simple like that. And then basically I can just toss this. Bye. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on another video. Peace.